Good day, sir. Today I'm going to present on the project that I have done. The project name that I have done is Inari Self-Assessment Online System, which will be used by Inari Training Department. This project is to replace the manual training system, and in this system has separated into two parts, which is admin part and the company employee part. And the aims for this project is to have a more systematic training assessment system, which can save the time in organizing training and also the time to update the training progress. Well, the objective for these projects allow admin to view and print reports, create a new training. They are also able to keep track on the date which employee need to renew their training. Furthermore, admin are also allowed to update or modify the training that has been created by using these systems. Well, the objective in this system for others, the company employees, is to allow them to do online training assessment. Now we are talking about the project management. And there are some software and language that have been used while developing this software, these systems. Which the software that we have used for this while developing these systems is Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Professional, SQL Server 2014 Management Studio, and also SQL Server Agent. Well, the language that I have used in this in developing this project, which are C#, ASP.NET, SQL, JavaScript, and also jQuery. Now we are talking about the project flow. These are the project flow in developing this entire project, this entire system. Okay, we are going to the next page. Now we are moving to the methodology. The system development methodology that has been used while developing this system is spiral methodology. A spiral methodology is the combines of the features of prototyping methodology and waterfall methodology. There are a few processes of developing this system with using the spiral methodology. The first process is that this system requirements are defined in details, and also involve in this process also involve the discussion with the admin user about the required new features of this new web system and the other aspects of the existing manual system. While the second process is a primary design has been created for this system. And the third process, the first prototype, has been constructed based on the primary design. And this first prototype is usually scaled down and will be representing as an approximation of the features of the final product. The fourth process is that the second prototype is evaluated from first prototype with 4 procedures, which is evaluating first prototype in terms of risk, strength, and weakness. After that, defining the requirement of the second prototype. And also, third, then plan and design the second prototype. Finally, construct and test the second prototype. While the fifth process is that, at user opinion, the entire project can be absorbed if the risk is deemed too great. The risk factor might involve any factors that could in the customer judgment and also result in a less than specifications final product. The sixth process is that the existing prototype is evaluated in the same way as was the previous prototype, and if necessary, another prototype will be developed from it according to 4 procedures mentioned in the fourth process. And the seventh process is preceding steps are continued until the customer is satisfied with the refined prototype, which represent the final product desire. And the eighth process is final system is constructed based on the refined prototype. And the last process, with using this spiral methodology, is final system is evaluated and tested. So now we are moving to the system features in screenshot. As we can see, this is the login page. And this is the home page. And here is the profile page. In profile page, we have the basic details of the user. And also their training history, which will show that what training they have taken and when it's taken. And also there is a button for the user to change password. And these are the screenshots of the step on how to change password. Next, we are moving to training page. Training page is a page that allows the employees to start their training assessment, to do their training assessment. And these are the screenshots of the step how to start their assessment with using this training page. Next, we are moving to training list page. And these are the screenshots of the training list page. Training list page is a page that allows the admin to preview or make changes on the training, or even delete the training. And now we are proceeding to the create new training page. These are the screenshots of the create new training page. Create new training page is a page that allows the admin to create a new training to create the new the structure of the training, the question of the trainings, and also upload the training materials. These are the screenshot for update training material page. These are the screenshot for report preview page. Report preview page is to allow the admin to print or preview the reports, and this is the email screenshots that has been sent by the auto email triggering feature, which has included in this system. And let us proceed to the database table screenshots. These are the screenshots of the master table in the database. And these are the screenshots of user table. Here are the screenshots of details table. The screenshots of question table. The screenshot of temporary answer table. Temporary answer table is the table that will be temporarily storing the answer while the user answering the questions of the training assessment. The answer in this temporary the answer stored in this temporary answer table will be using for comparison will be used for comparing with the correct answer in the questions table. And these are the results table screenshots. Now, we are moving to the discussions and conclusions. As conclusions, this system, as conclusion, Inari as conclusion, Inari self-assessment online system is an online web system that is designed for the company in order to change from a manual training assessment system into a more systematic, and easier online training assessment system. And spiral methodology is the system development methodology that has been used while developing this system. And finally, all the objectives and aims that listed above has been achieved in this system. For example, this system has included several features for like auto email triggering, create new training, update training, start training, login, and etc., which allow the admin and also the user to save more time and be more systematic. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.